What's up, family? Boy Ivan for Food Galore Mexico. Today we are going on an adventure. I haven't posted a video for the approximately 2 months since my Halloween video where I went to the church with my nephew, my sisters, because they were taking their classes for confirmation. Then we went trick-or-treating and stuff. I haven't posted a video because I've had personal problems. And I've been feeling down, I've been feeling sad. But now is the New Year's. I know problems are still going to be there no matter what. But despite that, I'm going to keep my head up and keep a positive mentality and never give up, in general. So today we are going to Charlie's Burgers. Today we're gonna try something different. Check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Food Galore Mexico. Yeah, and I just shaved. Hey! Check it out. I only had to go walking because Charlie's Best Burgers just around the corner from my house. Just around the corner. Look at this place. Hella fucking crazy. Charlie's Burgers, yo. Check it out. Really nice place, family friendly. I can't walk in because it's just across the street from my house, like maybe 2-3 minutes away. Check it out. Charlie's Burgers. Bam. Check it out, guys. We are back. We're at Charlie's Best Burgers. Check it out. I went and they have 3 options. They have a regular club sandwich, they have a chicken sandwich, and they got a turkey club sandwich. So since there's 3 options, I picked the chicken club sandwich. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Food Galore. Let's go. I'm in the restaurant because there's good lighting. It's all tagged up because I live in Santa Ana, so there's a lot of graffiti. Look at this wall. Hey. What's up, guys? I'm outside of Charlie's Best Burgers right now because I don't know if you guys could tell I'm sick right now, so I'm coughing a lot. So I went outside to cough because I don't know, it's just polite just to cough outside instead of inside the restaurant. Check it out, Charlie's Best Burgers. Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Well, I'm back with the club sandwich. Check this out. Check this baby out. Check this baby out. Bam. So lit. Ah. Hey, check this club sandwich. Super bomb. Bam. And it comes with fries too. They give me a whole bunch of ketchup. Super good. Check it out. Club sandwich. Let's try these club sandwiches. Okay, these club sandwiches consist of, check it out, they have grilled chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, bacon, and they have like a secret sauce. I think it's mayonnaise. Let me try it. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say. They're really good. Passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you, no. Oh my god. They're really good. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you, no. Look at this. No. The order comes with technically 2 club sandwiches cut in half. And an order of fries. Oh my god, this is like a lot of food for one person. This is good like for at least 2 persons. I'm gonna keep enjoying this club sandwich. Nicely grilled chicken. All the textures, the freshness, the crunchiness. Hits a spot, definitely hits a spot. Lettuce, bacon, tomato, a little bit of mayonnaise. bacon. Perfect. I like French fries. Crispy. Nicely well balanced with salt. Not too much salt. Just a little hint of salt. Perfect. Oh yeah. I'm gonna keep eating. Video vlog. Check this shit out. This club sandwich is good, but one problem is that I have, since I'm sick, there's too much food. And since I'm sick, I'm just puking the food out. It's good. Trust me, it's good. But you know when you're sick and you're just throwing up everything out, you don't feel good. So I got 2 sisters and my mom's upstairs. So there's 4 slices of club sandwich. So I gave them to them because like I said, so it's good, but I just can't finish it because it's getting me full and I'm puking everything. So plus there's still French fries. But despite everything, this club sandwich is good. 3 layers of bread, lettuce, tomatoes. Yeah, lettuce, tomatoes, bacon, the grilled chicken with the mayonnaise. Perfect. Definitely hits the spot. Keep this in touch. My nephew wants to make a YouTube channel. So what I'm gonna try to do, probably I'm gonna help him make a YouTube channel, or I'm gonna post his link in description to his YouTube channel. Maybe in a few days or a few weeks, I'm gonna help him make one. It's my nephew, and so you guys could like subscribe to his YouTube channel and stuff. It's gonna be for like little kids. He's only like 5 years old, so it's gonna be children's friendly, you know. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. I'm gonna continue eating this club sandwich. I'm gonna let you guys go because, like I said, I'm sick and I don't feel good. But either way, New Year's, Happy New Year's to all you guys. I'm gonna keep posting new videos, okay? New videos, new content. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey!